Katrina, Darian, and Lan have recently joined Dark War Survival. They are the 5th orange heroes from each faction, allowing us to finally complete our formations with full orange heroes from the same faction. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will discuss these new heroes. If you haven't seen them yet, don't worry, they should be available on your server soon. Benchmark. Katrina, Darian, and Lan are damage dealers known for their high attack and low defense attributes. They possess identical stats. Although they are also damage dealers, they have higher stats than the first batch of damage dealers, like Evans and Guy. In other words, the new heroes perform better than the old ones. Otherwise, nobody is willing to acquire a new release hero. While their first and second skills have unique names and visuals, the damage factor remains the same. For instance, Katrina's first skill deals 180% additional damage at 1 star, and both Darian and Lan have the same damage percentage. Their last skills are identical, boosting each hero's attack, defense, and troop capacity. The only notable difference lies in their third skills. Katrina's third skill enhances normal attack damage, Darian's skill improves troop skill damage, and Lan's skill increases counter damage. In summary, Katrina, Darian, and Lan are almost identical heroes. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Who to pick? Acquiring all the heroes quickly is ideal, but it often requires big spending. Therefore, it's better to prioritize obtaining the most useful hero rather than trying to get them all quickly. So, who is the best choice? The answer depends on your primary formation. For example, selecting Darian is an excellent option if your primary formation consists of 4 shooter heroes. This will enhance your formation to 5 orange shooters, resulting in a 36% troop damage bonus when countering opponents, compared to just a 26% bonus. On the other hand, if your primary formation features fighters, consider acquiring Lan first. Remember, having 5 orange heroes is more advantageous than having 4 orange heroes and 1 purple hero. You can refer to this video for more information about the comparison between orange and purple heroes. How to get? To obtain the latest heroes quickly, you can purchase them from the Legend of Battle. It costs approximately $20 or $18 if you buy it through GemZ. This will unlock the hero and provide you with 80 fragments to enhance their star level to over 2 stars. You can improve the hero's star level using versatile orange hero fragments. However, if you prefer not to spend money, you can wait until these heroes become available for free recruitment. For instance, we could unlock Marcia and Margaret from the Lucky Chest and Elite Recruitment for free after a month of their release. Once you have unlocked these heroes, you can use the orange versatile hero fragments to gradually upgrade their star levels. Alright, it is the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.